Channel's name?
Oceanus Beasley the 4th.
All right, well guys, today we are going to do color changing slime. All right, you ready to open it? All right, man. You're gonna have to put that soda down. You are. Oh man, I can't open this. You might need some scissors.
Yeah, I go get a knife.
No, you ain't gonna go get a knife right now. You silly.
I got a new haircut.
All right, I'm gonna get up and go get something to cut this with, and then I'll come right back. Okay?
Yeah.
You
Okay,
talk to
guys.
everyone.
Hi guys. Okay. Hey guys, we're gonna do it. Excited. You can ready to that. Covered it. Yeah. That is germs. Yeah. My mommy go get something to cut with it. Right, mommy?
Yes, we are. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, 1 second. She coming.
Let me scoot you in, okay?
Okay. My mommy's put me in.
All right,
She's
guys.
nice too.
Let's
Is it
do
two both? Is these two both?
Yeah, one for you, one for me.
I got
Okay,
two.
so first we have magical liquid.
Magic.
All
So
right.
do we pour it all?
No. We gotta follow
Do
instructions.
We, do we
gotta
put it all in it?
Well, we gotta follow instructions. I'm opening the box. Oh, and look what else we got.
What's
We got a
that?
light
Light one?
for us to see the slime changing colors.
Oh yeah.
Wow. All right, and then we have yellow to red slime.
Yellow to red line.
All right, and we
Uh-huh.
have blue to purple.
Blue to purple.
Okay.
Red to yellow. Blue to purple.
And then we have another magical liquid.
I didn't know it's two though.
Yeah, so it's 2 colors. All right, we're going to follow the instructions
Yes,
that are
yeah.
on the back
You
of the
see?
box.
You see?
Yes, they see Buki. All right, so what's the first instructions? It says pour out 1 Elmer's changing coloring glue into a container.
Or do we put it?
So you're gonna put what color do you want?
Yellow. Do we put it all the way?
Yeah, so you're gonna pour all of it into your container right
So how
here.
do we do it?
I'm just gonna open it like this and put it in there.
How do you do that?
Okay, do you want me to open yours? You have to show people what you're doing.
I'm trying to open my slime, but I can't know it. So my mommy helping me, right?
Yeah, so we're going pick up your bowl and show them. We're gonna pour our glue.
Wow.
Wow.
Mine's
Pick up your
cold.
bowl and show them what you're doing.
It's so
Yours is-
hard.
Yeah, look, I'm gonna pick it up for you, okay?
Okay.
Let me see. Scoot over a tad bit, right there.
Oh.
Oh, it's making nasty farting noises. All right, keep doing it. We're gonna keep pouring it in.
Fun.
How much more do you have? Oh, there it goes. Uh-oh.
We're making finals.
He's making farting noises. You're nasty.
And that's the whole gone. And as you can see, yellow or
Yeah.
nothing.
We gotta make sure all the glue is gone from the containers.
How did they make this though?
I'm not sure.
Do we touch it?
No, not right yet. Not yet. We're not gonna touch it just yet.
Mom, it's too hard.
This is just glue. We have to add stuff to it to make it slime. Just keep doing it like this.
My noises.
Uh-oh, now it's here.
I'm done.
You're done. So look, guys.
Look,
Blue. This color is gonna change from blue to purple.
this one turns to yellow to red.
Yeah, you're smart. You remembered it.
So how do you work that thing? Oh.
Okay, well now let's close it and let more glue get to the bottom of it. So close yours. Get the top to your thing and close it. Let's let more glue settle down to the bottom. So we're gonna just set this aside.
But how do you do this thing?
We're gonna set them in here. Look. Let's send them back in the box so we can get more slime, okay? Did you close it?
Yeah,
No, you didn't close that one.
I think I did.
Okay. So
Look.
now it says add 2 teaspoons of Elmer Magical liquid and mix well.
She know how to read.
Then add.
She went to work.
I went to what?
Wait.
I went to work.
She-
I did not learn how to read it from work.
Yeah, but she go to work all day in the mornings.
Yeah, I work every morning, every afternoon.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna add 2 teaspoons
2 teaspoons
of this into our slime,
All of
our
it?
glue. No, not all of it. Only 2 teaspoons.
Okay, 1, 2.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add a little bit at a time. Then add a little bit at a time. So we're gonna do 1, 2, and then add the rest. Okay.
Okay.
So open your Elmer's glue or your Elmer's glue. We're gonna use this as a teaspoon.
How?
We're gonna use a little cut. This.
Ew.
Don't smell it. What does it smell like? Smells like glue.
Ugh, I don't like it. It smells like when my feet smell good. It's just when she got some powder and she put it in my shoes and my feet took over.
So yes, you are so silly. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Well, we're gonna use it to mix it. No, you have to 1, and you have to do another one. Pour it. Make sure you don't spill it. We can't see what you're doing. Let me move this kind of down so we could see what. There we go.
Hi. I got 1.
Let me see if I can.
Hi guys. Look at my mommy. She got blue. I got yellow.
All right.
Look at her. Look at mine, guys.
All right. There we go. I think we're more organized. Okay, so now we gotta stir it. I gotta get up. Let me go get some forks to stir it.
I love stirring stuff, right, mommy?
Yes.
I got a lot of energy to stay up, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We got a lot of energy. And she got energy sleep, and my daddy got a lot of energy sleep.
All right.
Come on.
We gotta stir it. Stir it so good.
It's kind of hard though.
I know. That's how it turns into slime.
I don't do mine like that.
Keep stirring it. We gotta add more.
More.
It says keep adding the rest slowly. So now add more and do it slowly. So this is how our slime is looking.
What?
Before it was just liquid. Now he's adding more to his slime.
Oh. 2.
We gotta show him what it's looking like.
Yeah.
Oh man, it feels kind of thick and yucky.
Yeah.
It's actually
Ew.
sticking to the bottom of it. Let me show him yours.
Guys, look.
Yeah, now I think
It's our first time making a video and playing with slime.
yes. It's stick. Is yours sticking to the bottom?
Yeah.
Let me see if I could. I think mine's already turning into slime. 'Cause look.
Mine's too. Look.
All right, let me see.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
You
Oh
think
yours. Yeah, yours is.
slime?
It's thick. Guess what we forgot?
What?
Forgot to add the rest of the glue. It's okay. There's just a tad bit. Nothing more.
Yeah, nothing more.
You're so silly. Okay, now let's add the rest of this and see what it does. No, let me add the rest of it to mine and let's see what it does to mine. And then if it doesn't do anything good, then we won't add it to yours so you can play with yours.
Yeah.
So we added the rest of the magical liquid.
We don't know what we can do or not. It might explode or something, right?
It might explode. I hope not.
Me either.
If it explodes, we got to take off running.
Yeah, fast, but you can't do that. Right?
Yeah.
It's
We're
good.
gonna take off. It looks like slime.
Okay, my turn.
It smells like, what does it smell like?
It smells like real slime though. Look, my turn. Mark is to go. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Uh-oh. You poured it all in there. It is okay.
Oh, look at it. It's stuck to my fork.
It's stuck to your fork, right? And
Yeah.
it's getting stuck to the pan, the containers. Wow, okay. So now it says it changes colors. Color changing slime kit. So where is our light?
Right here.
All right, let's
Yeah, but
see.
how do you work it?
You turn it on. I think
How?
you flip this switch.
Yours.
So
Can I touch it? Huh, Mama? Can I touch it? Huh?
okay, so it says that after we do that,
Lie.
stir the magic is
Do we already stir a lot?
take the slime out, begin forming with both of your hands. Use the UV light to draw fun designs in a new
It
color.
wasn't making a mess.
Wow, so we have to use the light. Okay, it's
It's not
okay.
making a mess.
We're gonna put it on the table. We're gonna do one, okay?
Okay. Like that?
Yes, we're
But I
gonna do
need
that.
help. I can't do it. Can you do it?
Look. Yes, I'll do yours after I do mine.
Yeah. Wow.
Wow, do you see that?
How do you do that? With the light?
Yes. So
Oh, like
let's turn the camera down so everyone can see.
Wow. Like you don't put it all the way in there?
Yeah, no. So what we did is we just grabbed the light and you just go around it and it turns it purple.
Yeah, but do you put the light in there?
Put the light where, baby?
In there. You just have to show it like this.
I just put it inside the slime and it changes it colors.
But it don't matter if you put it up or something.
Well, no. You want to do yours now?
Yeah, I want to put it up.
Okay, let's take the slime out. We're going to. All right. We're gonna touch it with our hands after this, okay?
Okay, it's gonna be amazing, right?
Yeah.
Get me in.
Okay, get the slime off this fork.
I got that.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Now go ahead and draw.
Like that?
You see it? Keep drawing. Draw your name. Let's see if you can draw your name. You sure can. O-C. That is your name.
Yeah, but can you do it? It's so hard.
There it goes. O-C. Try not to get it too close to it.
Okay, but can you do it?
Okay.
Yours look amazing. The whole thing though.
That looks amazing.
Yours? I feel it.
Yeah, so we did his name. O-C. Oh my gosh, it's so slimy. And guess what? After a while, the color.
Why?
I don't know. Touch it now.
Touch it.
Ew, it feels so slimy.
Oh my God, bruh. What?
You're so silly.
Look at my hands. Gross. We dropped the phone. Don't panic.
Don't panic.
Look at it.
All right.
Like
Well, what do you want our next video to be?
The toys.
You want to do a toy review. So our next one will be a toy review. We are still going to do a giveaway. So we need everyone to
Give away a phone or a tablet or AirPods.
I don't think so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at mine. Look how I did.
We want everybody to like, comment, and subscribe.
And hit the notification.
Oh, hit the notification.